Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In today's video, I will show you how to back up your iPhone to Finder on Mac and iTunes on your Windows PC. The steps for both machines are largely the same, so you can follow this guide no matter if you are a Mac user or a Windows PC user. Backing up your iPhone to computer is super easy and a great way to keep your data safe in case anything happens to your device. With this method, you also don't need to pay a monthly iCloud subscription and worry about running out of iCloud storage. So let's get started. First, grab a USB cable and connect your iPhone to your computer. Make sure iTunes is installed and up to date on your Windows PC. If you don't have iTunes installed, then you can download it for free using the official link given in the description of this video. Mac users can simply open Finder and select their iPhone from the side pane. If it's your first time connecting your iPhone to the computer, tap Trust on your iPhone and enter your passcode. Next, open iTunes on your computer. If you're using Mac with macOS Catalina or later, you will have to open Finder instead. Under the Summary tab, you will see the Backup section. Choose this computer to store the backup locally. If you need extra security, check the box that says Encrypt Local Backup and create a password. When you're ready, just click Backup Now. iTunes will start backing up your iPhone to your computer. Depending on how much data you have, this could take a few minutes. Make sure not to disconnect your iPhone during this process. Once it's done, you can confirm it worked by checking the latest backup info under the Backup section. And that's it. You have now backed up your iPhone to iTunes or Finder and can rest easy knowing your data is safe. If this video helped you out, drop a like, hit subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I will catch you on the next video.